Hello YouTube, I made cookies. It's cold and rainy out. I'm so thankful we got rain. And there's not a round one in the bunch. I'm a guy, so don't expect me to make cookies in a round. When you mix the batter up, I just scoop it off a big spoon and just plop it on the parchment paper on the cookie sheet. About the right color, wouldn't you say? You got some little ones for a treat, but they're not round. And this is why I love making cookies and stuff. See that 5-speed? This thing must be 20 years old. And when I mix my butter and sugar and egg, I've got that thing whipped into a froth. I'm going to this feature. 5-speed. So you know I'm just going for it. With my stainless steel mixing bowl, it's got so many marks in it. I'll take a picture of it and show you how well used it is over the years. And I am not a baker. I don't claim to be, but then when you get the flour, and oh boy, you're in low speed and you're like, you're mixing concrete, and I'm just going for it. I am not going to mix it by hand. So I'm just bearing down abusing this poor thing. You can't burn it up. It's too old. You can tell by looking at it. 20-year-old model. It's not super clean. I'm the one that uses it. I try to keep it clean, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Just show you what I do on some of my off time. And I got to use a power tool. See? To me, it's a power tool. I can go get a cordless drill if you go camping and take one of these beaters with you. There's an idea. We're out of here. We're gone. Look at this mixing bowl. How many miles it's got on it. It's a big one. I can't tell you. Look at that thing. That's just running that. Just ripping through it. Like I said, I like power tools. When you can use it in the kitchen, it's all the more funner.